Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior, the conference stage over here. So let's continue with the texturing part of this. So let's get started. So now what we'll be doing over here is I'll be assigning few textures over here. So let's take first for the background part. So definitely we'll be using lights also. So let's go into rendering, render setup. Let's activate the V-Ray over here. Let's take a V-Ray material. And after that, let's go into diffuse bitmap. So let's go into this. I have generated this background texture. If you want, you can connect it with this also. So what I can do over here is like I can also connect any kind of, we can say self illumination. I can give a bit of self illumination, not much, but a bit for the glow, or else we're definitely putting some lights at the bottom when we'll be doing the light setup over here. So for now I'm just assigning few textures. So let's just assign this. So I have generated self illumination. Let's reduce this self illumination, assign it over here again. Just assign same material and let's give a UVW map. Same for this. Material, UVW map. Perfect. Over here. Alright. After that, select the stage part. Let's again go into the material. Let's rename this as background for now. Again take a V-Ray material and for the stage I'll just give a white color to it and I'll give a bit of reflection. Select this. We'll assign the same thing over here. Convert to editable poly. So let's convert this to editable poly. Select the polygons. Select the polygons. And now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be using a light material, V-Ray light material for high reflectivity. You can say a kind of a self illumination. So let's just take a V-Ray light material, take eyedropper tool, I just pick a color and I'll just assign a light material kind of over here. So definitely we'll just select this. Again convert to editable poly material. So let's just attach it first. So let's attach it. Select the polygons and give a light material So if you want, you can put this in between. That's not a big problem. That can be easily put over here. After that, let's take a box, auto grid. Go into material, take a V-Ray material. I have few textures for this, so I'll be just assigning the texture over here. UVW map. Let's again go into this, activate the auto grid part. So like slightly, just push it over here. Go into material. I'll take a V-Ray material. Let's just assign that. Just assign that. UVW map, set as a box. So again, take a box over here. So what I can do is like, I can just duplicate this over here. Keep the same over here as it is. After that, so we'll be assigning some fabric texture over here. So I'll just ungroup this part. Let's go into material, take a V-Ray material, diffuse bitmap, and I have a fabric material over here. So you can give a UVW map, set it as a box. So you can use fit over here, UVW map, box, fit. All right. So you can fit this in this way. And now I'll just select this part over here. Let's go into material. So let's rename this as fabric over here. Take one more V-Ray material. Let's give a color, reflect. Go into this, Fresnel reflections, Okay. Alright. So I'll just assign that. So I'll just go into the environment. Render and see. Okay. Okay. Looks better now. So same kind of a fabric we'll be utilizing for all. So before that, I'll just select this all, go into the material. Again, I'll take a V-Ray material. I'll go into the bitmap. I have taken one more texture for this. So select this and let's give again a UVW map. It looks better now. So we'll add again a UVW map. Same way. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. We'll be definitely continuing with more of the texturing part in the coming tutorial. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So save your file. So thanks for watching this tutorial.